Would you like to know what the best paid work from home jobs are, and start to make money online from these remote jobs right away? Then keep watching. It's time to level up.
Series 1, Episode 14, Social Media Influencer. Earning potential, $10 to $1,000+ an hour. If this particular idea isn't something you think you'd be interested in, you should watch it anyway, as you might be pleasantly surprised, and during the video, you may think of someone you can share this with, who may still benefit from it. But, even if neither of these things happen during this episode, don't despair, because near the end, we'll clue you in on how you can benefit from an even more lucrative path, for those of you who'd prefer to level up like a boss. Whatever your age, if you want to earn money online, then you should consider becoming a social media influencer. This is one of the best online jobs, especially for teens or those needing flexibility, because you can do it part-time from the comfort of your own home. These days, nearly every business is striving to partner with influencers who can expand and sustain their social media reach. If you have the ability to create cool stories, know what hashtags to use, and can create amazing captions, you'll do well as an influencer. If you have a large and loyal following on social media, you could be earning a significant amount of money promoting products and partnerships. Some social media influencers with high engagement earn thousands of dollars per post, but for good reason. Influencer marketing seems to work. Working as a social media influencer may sound far-fetched and way beyond your reach or capabilities, but it's more than possible. The role has a bad reputation in certain crowds, but these are fast becoming the remote jobs of the future. Just build a loyal following if you don't have one yet. Size is less important than engagement. If you already have, or manage to build, a considerable following on any of the major social media platforms, above all, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, then it's only a matter of time before brands start approaching you to market their items, for either money and/or free products. You could get to a position where you make thousands of dollars from a single post. Brands reach out to public figures and those with a respectable and growing following, all the time. However, you need to be transparent with your followers about your advertisements and affiliations, keeping your authenticity and credibility. Many social media influencers specialize in a niche and build up followers who are looking for specific ideas and advice, or maybe they gravitate to your personality, outlook on life, or the various subjects you've commented on. At any rate, it's advisable that any promoting agreements you enter into echo the morals and tone you've already established. It's important that your voice remains honest and heartfelt. The exception to this would be social media accounts dedicated to a character or fictional persona you've created. For example, Lee Francis as Keith Lemon, or Tyler Perry as Medea, where their characters' views or attributes would influence brand partnership choices. You'll need a social media presence with undeniable appeal, a good imagination that can craft refreshing or fun ways to generate interest in new and established products and services, desirable style, or great decision-making that followers will strive to replicate, and you should know affiliate marketing basics. And, did you know, you don't need to wait for a brand to reach out to you? You can initiate contact with brands yourself. However, please ensure you spend adequate time developing your pitch. Or you can find potential social media influencer gigs on Upwork, Simply Hired, Social Influencer Jobs, and Indeed. Good hunting.
Thanks for watching. You'll find links in the description to the things we've mentioned, and we've also shared a link to an insider secret strategy that can make you even more money for a fraction of the effort. we share life-changing videos like these, each and every week. Don't be a dummy, subscribe, so you don't miss out.